We got the boys out on the R6 meet. Say bye to the husky. You gotta get tagged for that thing. What's up, guys? It's your boy FastLaneD, and today we got the R1 boys out. Let's go. Y'all know my man Nate. We're about to go get some dope shots, and I'm gonna show you the behind the scenes of what goes into getting these shots. Man, these bikes look sick together, man.
Hey, we got a surprise for y'all today.
Uh-oh.
It's a secret.
All right, I don't even know what you're talking about, so that's a surprise for me too.
Drone content that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Is gonna be ridiculous.
All right.
FPV drone. If you guys ever seen FPV videos, it's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's gonna be it's gonna be nuts. But all right, let's go ahead and get this cold start going, baby. Good morning, Storm. Oh, yes, sir. And we gotta hear the Yoshi. If you've not seen our Tail of the Dragon videos, it's crazy how the exact same bikes can have such different personalities. Like this one's so much more chill, but it's still quick as hell because it's been tuned. But Storm's just out of control. Storm, yeah, she is always ready to party. So shout out to you, CDs. I thought that was an awesome comment. But all right, enough talking. Let's ride, baby. I don't have my mirror on. I couldn't find the keys to my truck. I searched for like 20 minutes and my mirror's in my truck, so obviously I couldn't get it to put on before we got out on the bikes. But we're in Atlanta, like what? This is where I'm from if you don't know. Home of a lot of big vloggers. Like you got Do It With Dan, Chase on Two Wheels, like a ton of awesome vloggers out here. And back in the day when they did meetups before all the reckless accidents used to happen, I used to go all the time. Alright, we're doing that. Whoa! Alright, Nate wants to ride on. Let's get it. So those were the good old days, man. Going to the meetups, hundreds of bikers. That was so much fun. Dang, look at this thing. That blue I freaking love. If you saw my V-Rod video, you know that. Dang, that's a cold start. Dropping the top with the peanut butter interior. Man, I love this. Oh, all digital everything.
Yeah, man, it's 2020.
Wow. 2020?
2020, man. I got it in 2019. I got 2020 and 2019.
Heck yeah. Did you do anything to it?
Nope.
We need to do a mountain trip. We gotta bring the bikes and then we'll bring the car. Woo! We out here, boy. This is gonna be so much fun. Nate is out here cutting the lines. So Jamin said he usually, which is the guy with the FPV drone in the Accord up there, films with his buddy who has an i8. And they want to start a motorcycle channel. So hopefully we can get something going. These tires are chilly. These tires are definitely so cold, man. Oh, wow. That used to be my turn back in the day. But there are always so many cops on this road. I really don't want to be speeding right now. The speed limit Don't worry about what the speed limit is actually. But man, it's good to like see old friends that are doing well, you know? Like I haven't talked to Jamin in probably 10 years or so, and just pick back up like we never even stopped talking. It's awesome. Oh boy, let's go. Second gear wheelies like it's nothing. God, I love this bike. Man, that chain, this sprocket change, I'm telling you, game changer. I said happy Thanksgiving. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and I'm grateful to have bros like this. Not to get sappy on y'all, but if y'all saw my, wow. If y'all saw my video on the new bike I just got, I'm pumped. Like the 701 Husqvarna Supermoto, man, that's gonna be my hooligan bike. Like I've wanted something like that for a while. Just something to mess around on, because if I mess around on this bike, I mean, I'd be devastated if something serious really happened. Like, Storm's my baby. I love you, girl. I love you. Got a little Porsche wanna play? These things still look good. It sounds good too. I don't know if you guys ever hear that, but oh yeah, he's trying to play. He's trying to play. I like it. I'm with it. I am with it. The old man's still whipping it, boy. He still got it. Man, that thing is sweet. That thing is sweet, man. Heck yeah, we're getting on. Woo! He gave it the thumbs up. Look at this. Oh, I can't wait to get the drone up. Oh, yeah. That is just gorgeous, man. Freaking gorgeous. Woo! Oh, really? Yeah. Yeah, that's funny. We were having a blast.
We've got the FPV pilot today. A little snippet of the FPV drone. Is it ready for takeoff? Yeah, are you in the way? Nope. There it goes. Whoa. That thing shot up. We're in goggle mode.
The Beamer, the pops. For those of you that hate on the pops, man, who cares if it doesn't help the performance? I mean, it sounds sick. Just have some fun, loosen up, man. God dang. Some of you are so uptight. Oh, that's bad for the car. Listen to that. All right, let's get these shots, boy.
I'll let you go in front.
All right, are we hitting it?
Yeah.
All right, A mode.
Whenever you're ready.
Here we go. Let's get these shots, baby. Let's get these shots, boy.
Trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, yeah. For the record, for the record. For the record. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. Frozen. H6 all the hate. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ballin' age. I'm flipping the bars. I'm flipping the. On record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost.
We picked up another boy on the R6. I think it's sweet. It's crazy. All matte gray Yamahas. That's cool. All right, we're about to go grab some food. Hopefully those shots came out well. I'll throw them in here for you guys to see. I just finished up eating some food. I am stuffed. I got the itis just a little bit, but we better head to Atlanta right now. The BP. We got the boys out on the R6. Me. We got my boy Nate and we got Storm. All looking sexy. Look at that. The little bro, the big bros watching over. Man, action. A whole damn pole.